Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Monster crater Evergrande declared bankruptcy in China. Big issue. We should be down 50. Let's see what happens. We bought these SPXs. They're already a double. You could sell them and roll. See what happens. Then we see. Okay. SPX is cratering hard. That's all you need to know. DE, huge beat, huge raise, and it's down. That's what's going on. The market's going lower. AMAT, huge beat, huge guide, barely up. No reason to force trades to the upside. There's 2.2 trillion in stuff. 2.2 trillion in stuff expiring today. So how far do we go? Interesting, right? Hold on here. Okay. We're trying to change some orders here and see where we dive. How far do we dive? I mean, we could easily go way lower. Okay, you guys can hear me, right? You can hear me. Come on. Somebody say yes. Okay, there we go. Joe, thank you. Okay, so that's what we know. Look, the news flow, which is not bad, is ugly. How's that? It's not bad, but it's ugly. It's not bad because the earnings are great. The action is so bad that everything is going down. And how far does it go? Now, just remember, this is what you have to remember, okay, is Microsoft was at 230, not 330, 230 when this started. So if this thing breaks 309, 300 on tap. NVIDIA. So CNBC said something very interesting yesterday. If, isn't this a if? If, one more time, if NVIDIA beats and guides up and the stock goes down 50, how insane is that going to be? Now, if Evergrande collapsing, does that mean all of these things are going to collapse? Wow. Now, the Fed is in deep shit because they talk up bullshit. Let me tell you, when you get stupid, you can destroy the world, okay? Let me tell you, if rates are 4.5, 4.3, 4.4, if they pop to 6% on Powell's thing, and anything is possible, then interest rates for houses go to 9%, and the market is at 4,000, maybe 3,800 on banks failing. We know all these real estate things have an issue. We know that. Okay? Come on, SPX. Crater, give me 20 plus. 20 plus, we roll. 20 plus, we roll. Interesting. Wow. Hold on a second. What is this? Okay. We're changing orders. Hold on a second. Give me an order. Wow. I can't do this because I'm on a different computer. Oh, okay. So that's what we know. Puts 4230 is going to look to buy some of these and sell the other ones. 80. Let's go put them in at 3 if we were just to dive for the heck of it. Then we see. Make sure I did this right. Okay. So that's what we know. So nothing is going up. The earnings news is good. If the economy is good, think about what's going on with booking. You're telling me the economy is good, so people are going to keep spending. And booking is down 200 points. Okay? That's all you need to know. If you don't need to know anything else, why would you do anything? Now, SPX, do we pop? Do we go down? We pop up 20 or 30 and then back down again? Maybe. But Evergrande collapsing in China is a bad event. It's a bad event. The Deere news, that good at news. So think about Deere. Deere is made what, $8.50. So they're going to make $10 next quarter. So they're going to make $35, maybe $36, and they're not even at 20 PE. Wow, $36 profit, not even. And look at Caterpillar go down in the greatest environment that the CEO has ever seen. Caterpillar is going down. Okay, now. Yesterday, what we've been doing all week is we've been buying a few things and then selling a few things to cover them. And that's what we're doing. So we haven't made a lot of profit, but we're not negative. Okay? And today with the profit today, that will be up if we sell these right now. So here's what I'm telling you is you don't want to get beat up. So don't get beat up. Don't force trades. Don't buy Tesla. Look, Tesla was at 100. If it takes out 191, it's going to be 142. Okay? And maybe we go way down for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, and then we come back up. Look, Elon doesn't give a shit about the stock anymore. That's it. He's all about this free speech and all this other stuff. That's okay. He doesn't care. He's made his money. Okay? EL. Yesterday people were telling me about EL. Oh my God, this is... Look. Nobody's buying high-priced ticket stuff. They don't want this EL and this stuff. What they want is they want to go travel and have fun, and if the world goes to shit, they don't care. They won't pay their credit card. $1 trillion plus in credit card debt. And on top of that, they're going to raise the credit card interest rates. Think about that. Think about that. Okay? So just know that. That's what's going on. SMCI. Look at SMCI. Continues to go lower. Caterpillar, lower. Deere, lower. If snow gets down to 130, probably like the 140s for earnings, because you're going to get a pop at some point, but I don't think you get a pop today. I think they're going to test this 4330. And if that breaks 4300 pin in play, that would get us, if we go down, I'm going to take 22 on the 20 to 22 on the 4350s, because, at 4331 is a number. So it can bounce to 20. Now, here's what happened. Yesterday I said in the room, if you're in the room, and it's carbon copy day. We pop up, and then we die. And then they make it look like they're going to run it back up, and then they crush it. And that may happen here today, too. So let's see. Okay, now, here's the thing. The biggest thing that aggravates me is when I go out there and I tell you Caterpillar's up 1, manage account. It's a double, and you don't manage your account. Oh, Caterpillar went down 7. I'm telling you, SPXs, we bought them at 8. They're $16.50. You're up almost $10. Manage your account. If it goes to 0, let's say the whole market comes back today, anything's possible. Not probable, possible. And then you lose money. Whose fault is that? Okay? Don't overtrade. These things, there's some ugliness out there. The numbers are good, but the action is ugly. If the action is ugly, that's all that matters. When will Cat be playable? Who knows? What if Mike Wilson is right and we break 4,300 today? Right to 4,200 in a dive of ages. Okay? That's what we know. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 8:18. When you get Deere news and it's that good and it goes down 10, 15, that's bad. When you get AMAT news that's that good and it's barely up, that's bad. That's all you need to know. Look at BKNG. Everything is going to shit because now if Evergrande breaks, which it did in China, when is the next U.S. going to break? And let me tell you, if Powell next week says we're going to keep raising rates because this is hot, then he's going to break the banks. He's going to break the bank. I'm telling you. And on top of that, what if Fitch comes out and downgrades all the banks saying they keep raising rates? Wow. 4,300? 44,000? 3,800? Wow. Okay? Don't force trades. Okay? Things are going lower. Let's see if we can get this ES, which is 43.57. 7 more points will crumble this thing. Massive. Okay? SPX needs 44.09 to be better. 43.52, 43.31, 4,300. Avago working lower. 810. 792 needs 922 up. 852 first. NVIDIA. What if NVIDIA goes back to 401 after all these things? Anything is possible. Okay? Now, the news on NVIDIA is that good, but the action is below bad right now. So let it go down. Then we see. Lam Research. How amazing is the AMAT news and it's going lower? That means it wants lower. That's it. Let them dive. Let them dive. Okay? Pan W. Why is he doing this thing on a Friday? I mean, this is just stupid. I don't care if it goes up. It's just stupid. Okay? But here's the thing. This thing is trading at 52 PE. He's supposed to make $4.25 this year, $5 next year. If he go $5 next year times 30 PE is 150. If he were to miss, this has 130 to 150 written all over it. Now, we sold the first layer yesterday and made the second layer free yesterday. See, that's how we're trading, okay? So these SPXs, we're going to sell them and roll to the next one with some profits and see how it trades. That's it. Very straightforward. That's how you trade. Apple, 171, 166. Lilly, way lower. 519 is a big number. 516 would take it to 500. Needs 552 to be better. Snowman, 141, 136. Needs 152 to be better. MDB, this was at 422. It's almost down 80. 331 if it dives. AMAT, this one will probably hold all day. But what have we known? Great earnings are sold the following week. Every single position that has great earnings is down. We killed Align Technologies. We killed Sam Beer. We killed these stocks, and they go down the following week. Okay? So AMAT may do the same thing. BILL, Bill. Another one that got it down. It's only down 6. Why is it not down 20? Interesting. Keep an eye on it. Deere. 409, 401 needs 432 to be better. BKNG, another huge upgrade, going lower. Let's see. Caterpillar, 266, 252. The market thinks they're going to keep raising, and they're going to create a recession when they don't need to. That's what the market thinks. That's all you have to know. Okay? SMCI. 231, 209. Wow, 209. Okay? Needs to get back over 272. Way up there. NOW. Non-stop lower on upgrades. Let it go lower. 519, 500. Needs 572. EL looks like 131 possible. Wow. Microsoft. 309, 303. Tesla. 209, 201. SPX is down. Those options are $17.50. You're about to be up $10. Manage account. See you in chat. Wow. Crater Day. Evergrande. That's what you need to know. See ya. Bye.